guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I ordered a 36-inch wig from Aliexpress. I use my own money. This is not sponsored. So I'm scared. And then I ordered from a store that barely had any reviews and I had never heard of. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video, open up this package. Before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm going to insert, so I always before you order from AliExpress, ask that vendor, do you have whatever inch, whatever density, whatever lace color you want in stock, because sometimes it just be there and it don't be in stock. So make sure you ask them that. So I asked them, did they have the 36-inch 250% density? Y'all know I love 250% density wig in stock, 13 by, I don't remember which one I have, 13 by 4 or 6, I don't remember. But I asked them, they told me they would have to make it. I'm going to Atlanta this weekend and I wanted like some long hair. I don't know if I want to keep this hair or this hair, so we're going to see. But they told me they had the 210% density in stock right now, but not the 250. So this is my first 210% density wig. It has a nice heaviness to it. It should still be thicker than 180% density. But y'all, let me show y'all the picture they sent me. I asked them to send me a picture of the wig because I really wanted to look at it. So I'm gonna insert the picture they sent me, probably over there. But y'all see, this wig looks long. It's like as tall as them. It looks long, it looks full, it's just giving. So that's what I want. It better look like that. They told me that was the 36-inch wig. So let's see what I have in here. I'm a little nervous. It wasn't expensive at all though. We'll see. So, okay, I didn't even say the store's name. I'm going to link it in the description box, so make sure to check it out if it's good. But the store's name is Hoho Official Store. Like, that's just the name. I never heard of it, so I was a little anxious. Okay, it's heavy. It seems like it's a lot of hair in here. It's probably, I don't know, I'm nervous. Seems like it's a lot of hair in here. It seems like it's a nice amount, whether it's a lot in thickness or a lot in length. There's something in here. It's really good. We'll see. I'm a little nervous. Okay. I've never had a wig this long. Okay, I ran out of storage, but came with a wig cap and an elastic band. Okay, this is the wig. Let's take this thing out. I'm nervous. So here's the hair. We finna pull out our measuring tape, of course. But, okay, the wig cap seems huge. Oh, okay, this is long. I'm finna stand up with this wig. Hold on, let me fix my little leggings. Let me see. So I'm 5'7", so that's about, well, really, when I go to the doctor, they say I'm 66 inches, which is only 5'6", but I look tall, so I say 5'7". But this is where the wig is. So it should be like right here. When it's on, it should go past my butt. I'm excited. Okay, let's really look into this wig. Okay, very full. This hair is... Okay. Look at this. The thickness is... Oh, wait, let me put some lotion on my elbows right quick. Hold on. Got it all on my shirt, but look at this. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. It's giving. It is giving. No shedding. No shedding right now. Okay. That's really long. Let me pull out my... I don't know. I don't really have a smell. That's really my lotion, but it smells like cardboard to me. I don't know. It smells like cardboard a little bit. But Let's see. This is really long and really thick. I, of course, have to actually wear this to see, like, if I really, really like it. But y'all, look at this hair. It's moving, it's moving, it's long. It's giving like a 250% density. So let's actually look at the lace. Oh, I done rolled over the hair in my little wheelchair thingy. But okay, so it's a 13 by 6. So this is the lace. This is just how all wigs come now, I guess, when you get a 13 by 6. So from here back, you have the lace, and then from the sides look like that. Bam. I'm trying to figure out, is this legit or not? I don't know. I'm gonna have to wear it for you all. Okay, but hold on. I'm getting about 35, 36. So look, you all can see it's coming to about 35-ish. But yeah, that's practically 36. So true to length, but it smells interesting. It doesn't smell like any kind of chemical. It smells familiar though. I really gotta play with this and see how I feel about it. But yeah, so far, I mean, the thickness is there. The lace isn't dark or anything. This is like a good color lace I can actually work with. But we gotta see, y'all. We got to see. But yeah, this is my first 36-inch wig. I'm gonna come back with an updated review in a little bit when I actually wear the hair, an initial review, all that. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. I'm going to link the hair in the description box. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam. This is really thick. This is really thick. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Check out my lash company, Casino Lashes. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye.